Legrand North and Central America's Sustainability Strategy, working in partnership with our suppliers. This course will address 4 important issues related to Legrand's sustainability strategy and objectives. First, it will offer a number of reasons why Legrand is committed to sustainability and corporate social responsibility. Second, it will provide a high-level overview of our strategy and sustainability objectives. Third, it will explain why our suppliers are so essential to achieving our sustainability objectives. And finally, it will review what Legrand expects from its suppliers to ensure the success of both parties. Let's first begin by exploring the reasons Legrand and many other companies today are committing to operate in more sustainable ways and to be socially responsible in their actions. The first reason is focused on the future. Legrand sees sustainability as an integral part of how it must conduct business going forward. Like quality, sustainability must be embedded in our processes. We want to be a leader in our industry and a preferred supplier to our customers. We believe that sustainability is one of the key reasons why customers will choose Legrand going forward. To achieve our vision, we look to our suppliers. Just as we are part of the value chain for our customers, so are our suppliers a part of ours. We're in this together. A second driver for sustainability and social responsibility is the fact that it's part of our values as an organization. Because we believe it's the right thing to do, and because it's consistent with the beliefs our company holds to be important. At Legrand, we have a strong and sincere conviction about the importance of business ethics, of maintaining a safe and healthy workplace for our employees, and ensuring our associates have opportunities to advance. We also believe that companies, not just governments, must act to improve and protect the natural environment. We also believe it's our responsibility to offer support within the communities where we live and work. Our commitment to sustainability and social responsibility also creates value or benefits for us as a company. Research has shown that companies that demonstrate a commitment to sustainability receive multiple benefits. For one, they enjoy better stock performance and higher market value over time. These companies also have a positive reputation and a strong company brand, and maintain goodwill toward that brand, even in times of adversity, when something may have gone wrong for the company. These companies gain competitive advantage with customers based on this improved reputation and greater trust that's invested in them. And it has been documented that people want to join and stay with companies that are socially responsible. It's a powerful way to attract and keep talent. This is particularly true of the younger generations, millennials, those born between 1980 and 1995. Another reason we embrace sustainability and social responsibility is when it's required by the government. In the United States, Mexico, Canada, and China, there are any number of regulations and requirements that have been created to protect the environment and consumers. These include regulations to disclose or prohibit the use of certain hazardous substances or chemicals in manufactured products. Or it may involve requirements to recycle materials used in production or to create products that are capable of being recycled. There are also regulations that seek to deter the use of minerals that come from war-torn and oppressed regions, such as the Democratic Republic of the Congo. And finally, there are regulations that require building owners to operate their buildings according to certain energy and environmental standards. And the manufacturers that provide products to these buildings must take these regulations into account. These regulations can vary from country to country, and in the United States from state to state. They are also constantly evolving. It's our responsibility as manufacturers to be aware of the regulations and to comply with them. We must also cooperate with our customers when they're seeking confirmation that we are in compliance. Again, we're all part of a value chain, and the actions of companies at one end of the value chain affect those at the other end. Last, but certainly not least, we know that a growing number of our customers genuinely care about sustainability. Like us, they have developed strategies, and they have goals and metrics to measure their progress. Many of them are reporting on their actions to third parties or to non-governmental agencies or governments. To achieve their sustainability goals, many of our customers are evolving their sourcing practices. We now have customers that will make purchasing from us conditional upon our declaration that we're observing certain sustainability or social responsibility standards. Every company on this slide has a sustainability program, and these are all Legrand customers. There are many other companies out there that are increasingly looking to do business with and source from companies that can give clear evidence of their sustainability and social responsibility. It's now part of the business conversation and the expectation for doing business together. For all these reasons, Legrand has been working to steadily incorporate sustainability into the way it does business. Legrand began this journey in 2011. It has been implementing a sustainability strategy that is organized around 3 key objectives. The first objective is for better lives, by providing an optimal working experience for our associates, by volunteering within our communities to improve housing and schools, and by providing financial aid to organizations that provide relief in the event of natural disasters. The second objective is for better operations, by eliminating waste to landfill and steadily reducing energy and water use at each of LNA's manufacturing, distribution, and office sites. The third objective is for better performance in the buildings where our products are installed. There are a growing number of customers that want high-performance, sustainable buildings. These are buildings that optimize many attributes, including energy efficiency, productivity, safety and security, and cost-effectiveness. It's this last objective that gets to the heart of this message, of why the partnership with our suppliers is so important. We focus on the high-performance building market because it's very large and it's growing at a double-digit rate. This is the segment of the commercial building market that sees value in constructing buildings to the most advanced standards in the world. These building owners don't view this as extra cost, but rather an investment that translates into higher value for their property and happier building occupants. What's important for Legrand is that the product categories we provide, the electrical and digital infrastructure, are an important element of the building design, and that's why we are seeing fast growth in this area as well. We've done a lot of research in this area. The fact is that owners and architects who are designing or constructing to achieve a high-performance building demand products and materials that have a better environmental profile, and they are requesting transparency or visibility into this information about the product. One of the most prestigious and popular ways for building owners to achieve higher performance is by pursuing LEED certification. If you're not familiar with it, LEED stands for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. Created in the 1990s by the U.S. Green Building Council, it's an internationally recognized certification system that rates how a building fares on things like energy savings, water efficiency, carbon dioxide emissions reduction, and indoor environmental quality. It operates on a system of points. To achieve LEED certification, a building owner must earn a certain number of points. There are different levels of rating, from silver to gold to platinum. Manufacturers can help building owners earn points if they can offer the right kind of products. The good news is that Legrand can help building owners earn points, but some of those points require us to offer products that have a better environmental profile. There are 90,000 LEED certified buildings around the world today. We've calculated that there is over $54 million of potential lead business for us to capture in 2017 alone. That number will continue to grow, and Legrand wants to be a part of it. To improve the environmental profile of our products, we've established environmental material requirements that we're asking all of our suppliers to meet. This allows us to produce what we call PEPs, which stands for Product Environmental Profiles. The PEP is an important form of product transparency. If a building owner sources a product that has a product environmental profile, he can earn a LEED point. If Legrand can offer a building owner a product environmental profile, we can earn his business. Improving the environmental profile of our products means that we must source from suppliers that can meet certain requirements. We also must run our factories to be more sustainable, use less water, energy, and reduce waste, because this also improves the environmental profile of our products. It's our ambition to improve future generations of our products by employing eco-design, by utilizing life cycle analysis to understand the environmental impacts of our products from the beginning to the end of their life. We expect that life cycle analysis will reveal opportunities for improvement as well as to reduce costs. All these efforts help us to compete successfully for LEED projects and to win business from customers who want high-performance buildings. But again, Legrand cannot do this without its suppliers. This is a partnership. We know it's not always easy to change the way things have been done. It's taking us some time and effort to adapt, and we know it will for our suppliers too. That's why we want to be clear about the reasons we're taking this path. That's why we're offering resources on our website to help our suppliers get started. We're committed to this path, and we want our suppliers to be as well. The bottom line is that we're pursuing sustainability to grow our business. If we succeed, our suppliers succeed. Let's conclude by making it clear what Legrand expects from its suppliers. We expect our suppliers to understand our objectives, why we're doing what we're doing. We expect them to work to meet the requirements we've set forth in our Environmental Material Requirements Policy by the required deadline. And third, we urge our suppliers to practice sustainability and social responsibility in their own business for all the reasons stated in this presentation. Sustainability has many benefits for an organization's employees, its shareholders, its bottom line, and its customers. Thank you for your attention and for being a valued partner in our sustainability journey.